Okay, so today you should have your entire car covered. You should be able to go down and take the original picture of the car and turn it off and still have your car on here. So the two things that we're doing today is we're going to work on the windows or the windshield. In mine, I only have a windshield. And then we are going to do blending. Okay, so first we'll start with the windshield. If you have not done your windows or windshield yet, go ahead and go back to your lasso tool and make yourself a square and then fill it in with one of your colors, etc. So I have this already made. And if I hold down the control key and click right here on top of the thumbnail, I get dancing ants. Once I get dancing ants, I need to go and I need to find my colors. They should be in swatches all the way at the bottom. If not, if they get lost or deleted, go ahead and just install them again by going to the 3-line hamburger and go to import swatches. So I'm going to select the 2 lightest colors. To do that, I'm going to go over here to the green or to my colors. I'm going to click on it and then my 2 lightest colors. So I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to hit the little arrow, which will switch this, or you can just double click on here and you can tell you're on the red one. And I'm going to select white. So now I have purple and white. The 13th one down is your paint bucket, but if you right click on it, you go to the gradient tool. A gradient means it goes from one color to another. So the 2 colors it's going to go with is here. So if I take and I click, hold, and drag, and then let go, I now have a gradient for my windshield or my windows. You need to do each window something like this so that it has a gradient. I'm going to switch this and I'm going to go like this. No, that's not, I don't even like that one. All right, let's go this way. And I'm going sideways because that's kind of the way my car is. So it's showing some kind of light direction. So if I hit Control D, I am now done with my windshield. Now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to do it on the body. If I double click on the body, I get layer styles. So now if I click on bevel, do you see how it changes? Okay, so if I click here, I can make it look bigger, make it look smaller. I can click on stroke and I can put a color around. Remember, you have to use one of your colors. I'm just going to use black for now. And I can change the size of it. It is only going to do this to the layer that you have selected. So it didn't do anything to my roll bar or to my fender or my wheels. There's ones called pattern, which I don't know if you have a water car. I guess you could do that if you wanted to. That type of stuff. That's just more for fun. And then outer glow is if you want it on the outside of it to do it. So what you need to do is you need to do this, and I can tell that you did this because it shows effects and it has this. If you do not like the effects, you can click on it and it goes back to normal. If you want to just have the bevel, and you can do that by just clicking the eye. I need to see effects on every layer that you have. If you turn it off, that's fine, but you need to go in there and you need to play around to see if you can make it look better. So those are the two things that you need to accomplish today. You need to accomplish all the windows with a gradient on it, and you need to take all of the layers and put a layer style on it. If you have any questions, let me know.